In our previous videos, we talked about how Zoho Field Service Management has transformed the operations of Coolbreeze HVAC. But now, it's all about the customers and how they benefit from this new technology. Before Zoho Field Service Management, the customer's journey was far from ideal. Appointments were like a game of chance, and communication was filled with frustration. With Zoho Field Service Management, customers are now well informed at every step of the service journey. Plus, they get access to comprehensive service details. Zoho FSM enables customers to schedule service appointments at their convenience, reducing the hassle of coordinating appointment times over the phone. To schedule a service appointment, first log into your account, access the dispatch console, navigate to the calendar, click on your desired date, and then choose a work order. Meanwhile, real-time updates allow customers to monitor a job's progress in real time. To track your service appointments, navigate to Work Order Management, then select Service Appointments. Click on the specific appointment and monitor its progress under the timeline. Access to service history is also made simpler with Field Service Management. Head to the Reports menu, go to Work Order Reports, and select Work Order by Status. Here you can easily review past service details and track maintenance records. What to see your bills or invoices? In the Work Order Management section, click on Invoices, select the specific invoice, and hit the Send to Customers button. Lastly, Field Service Requests allow you to submit new work requests to your technician. Create service requests with your preferred priority and additional preferences. Go to Requests under Work Order Management, select Create, fill in the necessary details, and save your request. The future of customer service in the field service industry looks promising, with Zoho Field Service Management leading the way with improved convenience, real-time updates, and customer feedback mechanisms. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, if you have any questions or want to learn more about Zoho Field Service Management, contact our Zoho partner team today.